In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove 3D Bitmoji on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Snapchat and there click on your profile picture right there at the top left corner of the screen. And there, once you are on your profile, hit on that gear icon and here select Bitmoji. It's right here just underneath your email. Now there you are able to change your outfit, to edit your Bitmoji, to choose a selfie and to unlink your Bitmoji. So hit on unlink my Bitmoji and then confirm that action, and now you just removed your 3D Bitmoji on Snapchat. You can go back there on your profile page and here you see that you don't anymore have your Bitmoji there on the top of your screen. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.